Hello friends, welcome to House of Tech English. In this video, I'm going to tell you how you can convert a WebP image to JPEG or any other format. Now, without wasting any time, we are going to start the video. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. So to convert WebP format image to JPEG, you don't have to use any third-party application. The process is in your Mac itself. So first of all, just go and select the WebP image which you want to convert. Once you select the image, either you can right click or you can tap with two fingers on your trackpad and then go to quick action. In quick action, you get an option of convert image. So select that, you get a pop-up window like this. Now in this, you can choose the format whichever you want. Either you can choose JPEG. If you want to convert it to PNG or HEIF, you can select that option. I'm going to select JPEG for now. You can also select the image size. You want actual size, large, medium or small. You can choose the size from here. After that, if you want to preserve metadata, you can check this box. If you don't want to preserve it, you can uncheck this box like this. Currently, I'm going to keep it selected. Once you do each and everything, after that just simply select convert to JPEG option, and within few seconds you can see the WebP image is converted to JPEG. It will save another image like this on the desktop itself or on the destination which you have selected. Now if I select that and if I press Command plus I to check out the info page, you can see even here you can see it's JPEG format now. Now this was one way of converting image to JPEG. If you want to convert multiple images at the same time, like you can see I have two more images over here which is in WebP format. So just make sure you select all the images which you want to convert. After that you can just simply right click, again go to quick action and select convert image option over here and select the format, select the image size and select convert to JPEG option, and within seconds you can convert all the selected files from WebP to JPEG. So yeah, this is how simple it is to convert WebP image to JPEG format. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.